So I'm measuring out the side arch, or a triangle almost, out to here, and then end over on the back bar. First segment of this part. Well, I can now finally start mounting the radiator, and it's just gonna sit around the back. I will have a bar going across and then having this flat bar somehow as a holder. So I found these old rubber bushings. They are a loose fit at the moment. I'm gonna cushion the radiator from the bottom with a timing belt. I am the idiot who got this thing stuck here, so I will try to come up with a pulley system to try to winch it out, basically. So I have this block set up here, and I'm gonna try to pull with the UTV. I got it out, or we got it out, and I'm just cleaning up the cable set. So I got some hoses off the parts car. Right now I'm routing the upper line. So I measured out the tube and I will connect it at the back, and then I will have a little connecting piece in the front, have it clamped down, and then I will do the other circuit. Well, I'm confident enough to fill the system, but I don't have an expansion tank at the moment, so I will funnel my way in. I think I made a mistake, but I think I can work around it. So the thing is that I believe air will be trapped on top of the radiator. So I will have this piece. I can let the air out through this small hose. I realized I haven't driven it with the gear lever. Well, there's no oil pressure to the steering rack. Okay. cooling system seems to be working, because both hoses and the radiator is warm when it runs, and I can see the fluid level on this hose. I'm still pretty sure that the power steering doesn't work. I'm not sure if the pump is not making any pressure, or is the steering rack dead or something. I'm not sure.